We're headed into the colder months of the year, which means having to keep our homes warm, but not all heating systems are equal, especially when it comes to impact our planet. ABC's chief climate correspondent Ginger Z has more. Then we'll be back after the story.
As winter rolls in and temperatures begin to cool off, many Americans are starting to think about how to stay warm. But keeping our homes warm comes at a cost for both our wallets and the planet. HVAC systems are one of the largest sources of emissions. Founder and CEO of Rewiring America, Ari Matusiak, says the next time you're in the market for heating and cooling, switching to heat pumps is a great way to effectively and efficiently keep warm and at a lower cost.
Heat pumps are 2 to 3 times more efficient than the machines that they replace.
A heat pump is an electric home appliance that replaces both your heating and cooling systems. Unlike your normal temperature control, heat pumps move hot air from one place to another instead of using energy to cool or generate heat.
When you switch to a heat pump, what ends up happening is you're using a lot less electricity than you otherwise would be using.
Matusiak says the average home can save about $1,200 a year on heating after switching to heat pumps. There are different types of heat pumps, and learning which is best for your home can help you stay at the right temperature all year long. In the meantime, sealing up leaks and adding insulation to your attic can help make current heating systems more effective. With this Climate Minute, I'm Ginger Z.